EZRA, na umekaa bila kutuletea 3 bedroom. Leo tumepata. Alright, this is a 3 bedroom house in section 58. Kwanza wale mnaniambianga EZRA 3 bedroom section 58. Leo hii ndo hii sasa your product. Alright, now let's go around the house ujione. Very nice. Okay, so niko hapa kwa entry. Alright, so this is the entry of one of the units. Ukiingia hivi hapa kwa entry point kuna a large window hapo, and I've noticed this house has got plenty of natural light thanks to the massive windows. That is another window. All right, for the lounge. Okay, so I'm inside the lounge. It is such a spacious lounge. Okay, namna hiyo. Now that section pale pale ni dining area. Okay, so the lounge is right here again. Okay, namna hiyo. It's a very spacious lounge. A 6-seater, even up to a 7-seater in a fit inside this lounge. Okay, let's have another look from the dining area here. Of course, it's an open kitchen. We'll check out the kitchen in a minute. Now, from this angle, that is the size of the lounge. Ooh, very spacious. And even the dining area has got another window here. Wow. Now, something else I love is these wall lamps. All right, namna hiyo, there's that one there for the dining area, and of course there's another one above. Okay, same with the lounge here. There are 2 wall lamps. All right, there's this one, and kuna ingine pande hii namna hiyo, that's another wall lamp. Yep, and of course even on the lounge there is another light above there. Whoa, up to this point mnasemaje? Isn't this a truly spacious crib? Alright, haya. Tuangalie jikoni. Hapa jikoni. The sink imesundo hapa in this corner. Alright, and I can see the socket there, the cooker socket there. 2 more sockets on this side. There is that one and another one there. So for your fridge and other appliances that ambazo nataka zikae jikoni, you have the electric sockets there. Let me show you the floor space in the kitchen. Alright, that's just how the kitchen, you know, size yake inatoshana hivyo. It's just a decent size kitchen. It's actually a large kitchen. Alright, so there are more shelves on this side. Okay, the serving counter hapo. Of course, chakula kishatoka jikoni inaekelewa hapo juu, and then folks wanajisort na ile pande. Alright, so there are more shelves down there. Okay, up to this point mnasemaje jameni? Then from here, oh, you see the road? You see where the road is? You see? Umeona wewe mwenyewe? You see? So niko section 58, and we are just, you know, next to the road, the section 58 main road. Okay? Haya, back in. Tuende tuone mambo ingine. Tuende tuone rooms zingine. Okay, so tukifika hapa kwa hii corridor, But on that side, there are 2 rooms, one for the toilet and the other one, you know, for the bathroom. All right, they are separate. Okay, the shower iko pale, there's a light above there, namna hiyo. It's a spacious place. All right, just enough for, you know, for a person to fit inside. Out here, you can see the sink, and what else? There's a mirror there. All right, so on this other side, bas choo yako iko hapo namna hiyo. All right. Now on either side of the bathroom and the toilet, we have a bedroom on either side. All right, we have a bedroom there, and we also have a bedroom there, and then on this side there's another bedroom, the master bedroom. So let's start from number 1 hapa. Okay, pretty spacious, enough for a 6x6 bed. A 5x6 will leave you you know, enough room to do other things, but even a 6x6 bed will fit in here. Sawa sawa, kuna mirror pale. Now, one thing I like here, it is these shelves here. I mean, they are really deep, all right? They are really deep, meaning they can take, you see the width of these things, all right? So, meaning they can take a lot of stuff, eh? And of course, on the side, hapa hivi for hanging clothes, namna hiyo. And yeah, there's another storage there at the bottom. Alright, so tukiendelea to the other bedroom vile tumesema. Very well, this is another one. Even this one will fit a 6x6 bed across. Alright, it's more of a diagonal, of a rectangle room. Alright, the shape, okay? So across a 6x6 can fit, but I still recommend a 5x6 so that you leave some, like you have a lot of room to move around it. You see the drawers there. Each drawer has got a mirror, all right? Even the other side tumeona kuna mirror pale. The shelves again vile nilikuambia, they are pretty deep, all right? So that zinachukua vitu mingi. So on that side kuna mirror, no, not mirror, window, sorry. There's a window, all right, on that side and on this side. And of course the light hapo juu ishawekwa. Okay, haya, finally we check out the master bedroom. It is on this side. So as you enter, first you meet the toilet for the master bedroom. All right, is it the toilet, the bathroom, the washroom, the restroom, etc. No matter how you call it, but you get what we are saying. All right, vitu zake na mambo yake namna hiyo, kuna mirror hapo, shower yake namna hiyo, light pale juu namna hiyo. Right, and again ni space ambayo amkuji kufinyana hapa. Alright, it's pretty spacious. Alright, haya tukiendelea hivi. Now that is the view of the master bedroom. Bring your 6x6 bed, bring your king size bed, bring your queen size bed, bring a queen size and a smaller bed for your baby. All of you will fit in here. Sawa sawa. So from the master bedroom, you can view the other block. Namna hiyo, there are 2 blocks here. Nice, nice. You see again, there's a mirror, nini? All right, there's a mirror put in there again. The wardrobes, will they fit 2 people? Guys. Now this is where your input comes in. Will these wardrobes fit 2 people living inside the master bedroom? Because they are just the same, they're just the same size as the ones ambazo zilikuwa in the other bedrooms. Zitafit watu wawili kweli? Let's say bibi na bwana ama Charlie na dem. Hey. Hapo tu ndo naona kidogo tumelegea kidogo. All right, but I like the window pale. All right, plenty of natural light coming in again. That is just, one thing that I love in this apartment. There's a lot of natural light coming in from all sides. All right, no matter what room you are, be it the kitchen, the sitting room, the dining, and even the bedrooms, there is just a lot of natural light coming into your room. So up to that point, my number is on the screen. EZRA nitafutie 3-bedroom. All right, pale section 58. So many people wamekuwa kiniambia section 58. This one is going for. Alright, so this crib is going for 32,000 Kenya shillings. It's a 3-bedroom master ensuite. The other 2 bedrooms, they share the common toilet. And I also like how spacious it is. I mean, all the rooms can fit even a 6x6 bed. That is a plus. Now, yeah, so beyond that, hit my line and let's communicate further. All right, so. Alright, so this one goes out to my Somali clients. Wale wananipigia wananiambia Ezra nataka 3 bedroom mahali ambapo kuna Wasomali wengi. Of course section 58 is known for that. So hii apartment ambayo nimefanya leo for you, it can be a great option. Lakini haimaanishi tu ni hao peke yao nimefanyia wa Kenya wote kwa jumla. So this 3 bedroom 35,000 Kenya shillings. Ooh, give me a call. Alafu to proceed from there. Sindo hivyo. So remember, when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth, and the only way. Don't forget, this apartment is just next to the section 58 main road. All right, as you can see from here. All right, so through that gate and over to the road. Sawa sawa. So haya, wacha niachie hapo. You know me, I'm a guy who can talk the whole day, but let me leave it at that.